Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it for the daily videos. Definition of schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a psychotic condition characterized by a disturbance in thinking, emotions, volitions, and faculties in the presence of clear consciousness, which usually leads to social withdrawal. Definition of mania. It is a type of bipolar disorder in which the predominant mood is elevated, expansive, or irritable. Motor activity is frenzied and excessive. Psychotic features may or may not be present. Bipolar mood disorder, also known as bipolar affective disorder or manic depressive disorder. This is characterized by recurrent episodes of the mania and depression in the same patient at different times. Typically, the patient experiences extreme highs, mania or hypomania, alternating with extreme lows, depression. Interspersed between the highs and lows are periods of normal mood. Onset usually occurs between ages 20 and 30. Symptoms sometimes appear in late childhood or early adolescence. Personality disorder. The term personality refers to enduring qualities of an individual that are shown in his ways of behaving in a wide variety of circumstances. Personality disorders results when personality traits become abnormal, that is, become inflexible and maladaptive and causes significant social or occupational impairment, significant subjective distress. Somatoform disorders. These disorders are characterized by repeated presentation with physical symptoms which do not have any physical basis and a persistent request for investigations and treatment despite repeated assurance by the treating doctors. In these disorders, manifestations of physical symptoms are caused by psychological distress. Substance abuse. Maladaptive recurring substance accompanied by repeated detrimental use of effects as a result of continued use. Mental retardation or mentally challenged individual, otherwise known as intellectual deficiency. Mental retardation refers to significantly sub-average general intellectual functioning resulting in or associated with concurrent impairments in adaptive behavior and manifested during the developmental period. Dementia. Dementia is the global impairment of cognitive functioning that is progressive and interferes with social and occupational abilities. Delirium. It is a state of mental confusion and excitement that happens in a short period of time and is characterized by disorientation for time and place, usually with illusions and hallucinations. Post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. It is a syndrome of symptoms that develop following a psychologically distressing event that is outside the range of usual human experience, for example, rape or war, etc. The individual is unable to put the experience out of his or her mind, has nightmares, flashback, and panic attacks. Thank you all. Have a nice day.